Hi there, this is Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi. Beloved friends, you must have heard this proverb, all is well that ends well, and that has happened to me. I was born in a very different and difficult conditions and circumstances. Poverty, misery, sorrow, suffering, there were my companions. But somebody in the form of a Ram person inspired me and developed with noble thoughts. जिन खोजा तीन पाइयाँ गहरे पानी पैठ, जो भौरा डूबन डरा रहा किनारे बैठ. मन के हारे हार है मन के जीते जीत, कहे कबीर गुरु पाइये मन ही की प्रतीत. That idea and that inspiration really made me work very hard. Without any guidance, not knowing exactly which path I should go, but wherever I went there I put my best. But it was a very difficult journey, a drifting journey, and ambitions were too high. That great man suggested me to compete for Union Public Service Commission without any input, without any background. It was really a very difficult task. And that great man also suggested me, because a lot of physicists were competing in Public Service Commission. In the 70s and 80s, I really became a physicist, one of the best, broke the record of 2 universities, Bihar universities and Mithila universities in theoretical physics. But only once I wrote the civil service exam, I qualified, preliminary exams, and that was the last. I could not make it, beloved friends. And the journey was very difficult. Struggles and struggles. Somehow I landed in IIT Kharagpur. There I could put my best, but the background, I tell you, is not very congenial, favorable in such great institutions. People are all manipulators. That's why India is not able to produce Sir C.V. Raman, Sir J.C. Bose, Rabindranath Tagore, and so many great Indians who has made India proud. Beloved friends, we glorify all the great institutions because of our character, honesty, integrity, and humility. But the sorrow, suffering, grief, and pain of my life ended when I met a great man called Manav Ratna Padma Bhushan Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy. This broadcast is coming to you from GVK, Vidya Nilaya of GVK EMRI. You see the towering building accommodating thousands of the participants, world-class 5-star hotel accommodations here for the people coming from America and all the various emergency installations and institutions. This great man really gave me new life. He realized that a honest and sincere, a simple and humble person can do miracles. His words were very, very soothing, and let me tell you these words. It is all quotes. These are all quotes. Please treat it as a quote. I love you and like you, and I respect you, Virender. Virender, had I found you early in the childhood, I see the potential in you. You could have been single Wimbledon, which none of the Indians have done except semi-finalist Ramanathan Krishnan twice, and first round, second, and ousters, quarter finalist Ramesh Krishnan and Bijay Mitraj. That great man also have different ideas about me. Very disciplined man, very hard-working person, honest and sincere person. Always he inspired me that whether I am physically present with you or not, but you can see in your heart, like Hanuman has got the glimpses of Sita and Ram in his heart. Dear friends, I am so fortunate. That's why I told you, Ant bhala to sab bhala. All is well that ends well. Today I am very happy. Honorable Sir has helped me in various capacities, in various ways. He helped my daughter to sponsor when she was just 9-year-old girl, child. He invested a lot of money in her, but till now there is no result. So I tell you, if you are really honest and sincere, sometime in your life there will be sunrise. It cannot be the gloomy darkness of Amavasya, that is the darkest part of your life. But keep moving, never stop. There are some people on earth, rarely few. I treat such great men like Manavratna Padbhushan Dr. Krishna Reddy in the category of son of the soil, the story of from rags to riches, Andrew Carnegie, Henry Ford, even in the modern time, Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates. These are the people who really glorify the earth. They have brain like anybody else. They have mind also like billions of the people all around. But people say they have feelings. Their knowledge has given them really the wisdom to encourage and motivate and help people who can really live happily and let the world be a place for happiness for everyone. And you can see this person. I am in a yoga session at Yoga Point. You see the Yoga Point there. This is Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi. In my whole life, I cannot repay the debt of the supreme human being, Manavratna Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, and his director EMLC Dr. Ramana Rao. He is another great man who calls me 20% Vivekananda. Dear friends, what I tell you, if you are really deserving and if you are really worthy person, sometime somebody will give you what you deserve. Today I am getting that. I am alone, all alone. But I am walking. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে. But there are some people who are with me. Thank you viewers. Thank you very much.